Hello everyone, in this video we'll introduce how to use a lighting console with a fixture library to control Kommander. For fixture library control, the lighting console and server need to be on the same local network. In this demonstration, we'll use the MA2 console emulator. The custom IP for the server is 2.0.0.1, and the IP for the lighting console is 2.0.0.2. Once the network environment is set up, first open the Kommander software, go to Setting Lighting Config file. Copy the file here to a USB drive, under GMA's folder, Library, and then plug the USB drive into the lighting console. On the lighting console, click Backup, then New Show to create a new project. Select Check All and Please to complete the creation process. Next, click Setup, go to Network Protocols, activate ArtNet Output Active, then close the window. Click on the second tab for network configuration, then click Add. Enter the lighting console's IP in both the first and second fields. Go back to the Setup menu and click Patch and Fixture Schedule. Enter layer name. Click from Library and from the drop-down menu select USB 1. You can see the fixture library file and import it. For this example, set the quantity to 5, then click Apply. Click Setup, choose Yes to save, and close the setup window. Click on a blank area, Sheets, Fixture. Select all channels, click the yellow button, then choose Title Buttons, activate link faders, and close the window. Click the link faders button in the upper right corner, then click Dimmer at the top. Now return to the Kommander software. Open Setting Connection and enter the lighting console's IP in the ArtNet input field. Next, open Lighting Config, enable all the layers and click Mating. At this point, you can use the knobs on the lighting console to control the parameters and effects of the media, such as speed adjustments. You can also achieve different controls by switching dimmer groups, for example, Control Effects, Control Rotation. These commands can be viewed in the channel DMX info file. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.